Hi, Jenny here. Today we are going to make some beef and veggie doggy bites. Let's get started. Alright, this is a fast and easy recipe. We are going to need 2 cups of dry milk, 1 cup of wheat germ, and 2 containers of beef and vegetable baby food. We're going to just mix all those together, form circles, put them on the tray, cook them in the oven. So I'm going to preheat my oven right now, 350 degrees. Dry milk I got this time comes in some little packages. It's kind of nice in case we don't use it all. It's not all drying out. Okay, we're going to spray our cookie sheet, and then we'll drop our mixture onto here in rounded teaspoonfuls. They're not going to spread out much, so you can put them kind of close together. Now we'll put these in our oven at 350 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes until they turn a little bit brown. And after 15 minutes, here they are, as they're slightly browned on top. So we'll make sure that they cool completely before feeding them to your poochie. Alright, once your treats are completely cool, you can feed them to your dog and see how much he likes them. If you can even keep him away from that lot. Alright, give me back. Okay, other path. Excellent, here we go. And yes, it passes the test. Woo! I hope you like this video. I will leave the recipe for it down below. Let me know what kind of treats you like to feed your dog. I will link another video over there. You can subscribe to me over there. Keep it positive. Go make it a great day. Bye-bye! Goodness gracious. Up here. Baby's not starving while you're trying to get open the food.